633 Sum of square numbers. This Java code checks if a given integer can be expressed as the sum of two squares. It iterates through all possible values of one of the squares, calculates the other square, and checks if it is a perfect square. If it finds a valid pair of squares that sum up to the given integer, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Explanation 1. We calculate the square root of c using math, sqrt, and store it in the variable sqrt. 2. We start a loop where we iterate from 0 to sqrt. In each iteration, we calculate b as c, a*a, which represents the remaining value after subtracting the square of a from circa. We calculate the square root of b using math sqrt, and store it in the variable bsqrt. We check if bsqrt is equal to b. If it is, it means b is a perfect square, and we have found a pair of integers e and b whose squares sum up to c, so we return true. 3. If the loop ends without finding a valid pair, we return false. The time complexity of this solution is O sqrt(c), as we are iterating from 0 to the square root of c. The space complexity is O1, since we are using a constant amount of extra space. The solution efficiently solves the problem by utilizing a mathematical approach and avoids unnecessary computations.